Angel Reese unboxes new fashion she obtained during her West Coast shopping spree.
So today we woke up
at what time?
at she was up before me. I woke up at like 9. And then
I woke up at like, you know what time I really woke up? 6. Because that's 8 at home.
Oh yeah, I was asleep. I woke up at 9 and then we packed up.
Just went to a new hotel.
Then after that we went to where we go? Oh, we went to Fashion Nova. She did her thing.
You did your thing too. That's why we're trying to get you to more into modeling.
And then we and then after that we went to Rodeo and just bought a whole bunch of stuff. And then after that we went to Javier's.
Oh, Javier's.
Had a good time. I had some enchiladas.
I tried enchiladas and I did not like them. Enchiladas are not where it's at.
And then we had some churros with vanilla ice cream.
The churros was busting.
And then after that, we went to the mall that was right next to it. She did her thing again in there.
We both did our thing in there.
We had to wait 22 minutes for our Uber. Started to press up on them.
Wait, what's today? They said our order is here.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
2 minutes ago.
Oh, I was going to say, so it's cold?
No, it must be downstairs. Look at the front.
What?
It's you. Hold on, stay right there. Let me call this. See if they're going to bring it to the front. I'm going to bring it here. We find, what?
They brought all this up here while I was in the shower?
Yes. And the flowers.
Eating the girlies up. They should have gave me one of these.
I'll have them send you one.
They putting this on.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I want one of these.
They're not even answering.
I want one of these. This one?
Oh, that is mine.
Oh. You remember earlier I slid on your jacket set.
Hi. Was there a Roscoe's order brought down there? Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Look.
You said they sent it to the room.
Look.
We didn't get that knock. Oh!
Roscoe, dude!
Look. Roscoe's! We had to double it.
Hey, nieces.
One thing about Roscoe's, y'all cute, period. We had to get that Roscoe's. Yeah. It's warm again. You know. You know. Alright. Let me put all this away. Oh, we got... I showed y'all... Wait. Oh, they gave us these too?
That's yours?
Yeah. All that is yours. Right?
Don't know how to know.
Yeah, these pants too.
This yours right here.
What? No, it's not.
This is yours. That's a size 11. Being hard.
That's not mine.
Why did it say size 11 in here?
So this is yours? No.
All of this say size 11.
Huh? No.
Yes. All of this say size 11.
That must be yours. Then I don't wear 11.
I wear 3.
We're trying to say, Angel, where the tops at? Oh, they right here. They kind of dirty though. We gotta wash them because we wore them today. They didn't give us that many tops for real. Cause I was wearing dresses. This one and this one got my makeup on it. Oh no, this is your bag. Wait, no,
that's mine. Nah.
This is your.
No, mine right here. Mine.
Let me see the front. How the front was.
My shit is right here.
Watch your mouth.
Oh wow.
What size is it?
Small, medium.
Oh, she did give us some tops. I ain't even see all these. There's some tops in the bottom of yours?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, she gave us this bodysuit. I ain't wear this in the building. You can have. That's your. I gotta watch you because you like your hands get sticky.
No, they
This
don't.
one. And this one. These are all bodysuits. I guess that's the thing. I'm not really a bodysuit kind of girl. Like, at all.
Oh yeah, she bought me a nice little gift.
You want to show them what I bought you? Size medium.
I'll go get. Oh.
Oh, I love this lip liner. What did I just do?
And they had it all.
Say less, I'ma collect. All right, bet.
They had it all.
No, Bella said she wanted it. Unbox.
They got it all wrapped up cute.
Happy birthday, BFF! Y'all, I can't celebrate my BFF birthday. Unfortunately, but it's gonna be
Have we
okay.
ever even? We ain't never spent a birthday together. What is that from?
The lip liner.
We ain't never spent a birthday
haven't.
together.
That's crazy. I thought. Oh well, you gonna spend one on my birthday, right? 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 It's going up. I'm making sure we. Oh yeah, those are cute, right? Damn, big feet.
Yep. Size 7.
Size 7 being hard.
Y'all better comment. Tell me my shoe.
Tell her shoes cute. There your feet though. That's the perfect size though.
What's this? Oh wait, that's your stuff.
You the bad kid. What's this? They gave us too many Nova 6. This is not what I thought they. Did they?
No, we had something else.
Right?
We're missing a bag. They didn't bring all the bags. We're missing a bag.
We're missing a bag.
Their hands look like they got a little
Sticky. We gotta check all the bags though.
What's this? They gave you this too?
Those are my heels that I had on.
Oh, you gotta wear these? Yeah.
What, those are mine.
Bro, if you yell one more month.
No, cause you like to. No, your hands get very sticky.
No, they
These
don't.
3 pairs are.
Nah, I ain't.
Let me tell y'all.
Not two. Don't eat, bro.
Let me-
You better not.
Let me tell y'all
You better not,
today.
bro. You better not.
I can't tell them.
No. That's embarrassing and nah.
How long are you out there for?
No.
I don't know yet.
Do not do that.
Bro, I can't believe you. I'm still in this.
Okay, I'm gonna get some more.
Nah, just shake me back for my birthday. Just make sure my birthday gift is right. Cause what you did, what you pulled, what you pulled.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.